Smile for me. Can you just smile for me? And all my people say, oh, oh, oh.
Bitch, your game, pop your shit, say something pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitch, they got the like none. Kitty on think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These fat bitch, you like is my son.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part of my beauty crochet, where I crochet, I knit, I'm learning new things. If I learn new things, you guys will learn too, because I do tutorials. So thank you for joining my channel once again. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and thank you for all my returning viewers. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for running it up for me. And in today's video, I really don't know what we're going to be doing. We're just going to go with it. And it's not going to be a long video, but we're just going to go with everything that's whatever. But I will show you guys a few things that I have been working on or I've made already, and then maybe we can just finish a couple of projects, and we'll just go from there. So I'm just grab what's in front of me right now, and I've been, it's supposed to be, I guess, a hood, or they call it like a crochet bonnet. It's supposed to be a little longer, and then, you know, you put it on your head. And then, but I think I should have made this a little longer. So that way, because my head is bigger, maybe that's what I should have did. So, this is what I have. I got this yarn yesterday from Walmart, which is really nice. Let me show you how big the skein is. This is how big the skein is. I think I'm gonna keep this as is and then do a border on it, and then see if my my youngest daughter can fit it over her head, and then we'll just go from there. If not, I know I'll put it on my head, but maybe I could donate it, I don't know. Or turn it into something else. Maybe. Let's see. No, don't work. All right, so that's that. I might just unravel it and redo it, but I don't really know. I'm not really sure if that's what I feel like doing, to be honest. So I did grab a bunch of yarn because I'm gonna be doing a mood blanket in granny square. So I started that as well, but I started with the pink, and I think it's stuck under something, and I really don't want to unravel it. Yeah, stuck in the bottom of the bag. So this is what I have so far of the mood blanket. I'm gonna start with pink, and here's the skein that I have to get through. So this is what I'm working with, and then I don't know what color I'm gonna do next, but I have a whole bunch of colors. I have yellow, I have orange, I'm gonna do red, and I'm gonna do this blue. I do have a green color as well. I don't know if I want to add that in. And then I have other yarn over here, but I think I'm gonna just use what's in the Walmart bag for the blanket. So the blanket should be really big, being that I have these jumbo skeins from Red Heart for Walmart. I think they were like $7 or so. All right, so that's that. So let me get the other sweater that I made for my daughter. So she had it on, so let me unravel this. I didn't tuck the strings in yet, but This is the sweater that I made her. I think it's really cute. I did the granny stitch, the granny clusters, and then I did half double crochets at the border, and I did a decrease. I did the same thing for the wrist, but I think I'm going to add like 3 more rows of half double crochet because I think it needs it. Same thing here, and then at the bottom I didn't do any decreases, but I did do half double crochets at the bottom, and I might do 1 more row, and then I can tuck the strings, get my lint roller, get all the fluff off of the sweater, and then she can put it in her drawer. And then she has long sleeve undershirts that she can put on with this, and then it will be a nice cute outfit with some jeans and her UGG boots. So I think that's really cute, and I will be making her some more. That's that. So I've also been trying to crochet some things to donate. I almost think that the hats are too small, but not this hat. I made this hat too. I knitted this hat on my Centro, my 48 Centro. All the other hats I knitted was on 30 something Centro. I made this also for a giveaway, or if someone would like to buy it, that's fine as well. My name is the same on all platforms, so you guys could check that out. This is really cute. I feel like there's something on my nose. I washed my face today. I'm glowing, and I feel good about that. But I didn't do my hair, so. All right. I know I'm making a lot of noise, but I have to get the hats out of the bag. So I made a matching black one to this one right here. So I think that's really cute. And I'm possibly make some more colors. Make some more you know, hats, different variations. I made this as well. This can be for sale, or I'm thinking if I should just, I'm thinking it like, I don't know. So I made these hats, but I'm starting to think like they're not going to fit. They're not going to fit, might not fit the kid's head. Sorry, somebody's texting me. One second, guys. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm back. I had a text message and whatever. So, I'm just gonna show you guys the hats. I think I was saying, I don't know if it's the hats are gonna stretch or not, but here's one of them. They're double layered, doubles, whatever you want to call it. So this is like a little slouchy beanie. This is given Tommy Hilfiger vibes. I think this hat is really nice. All of these are knitted on the 30 something Centro. So yeah, this is another one. They're all reversible, by the way. They're all reversible. And wear it this way, or you can wear it this way and then fold it up like that, and they're stretchy. I did this one's a little shorter than the others, but it's still nice, it's cute. I like the way this ended up, and like I said, they're all reversible. So I think I'm gonna give them, write her teacher, and then give them to the teacher in this bag. just let her know. Like, I knitted the hats for the kids. So if I didn't mention already, I was doing these for donation, but I'm gonna give them to my daughter's school. And if there's too many hats, I'm gonna just tell her to give them to whoever. It doesn't matter. And did that one, as well as this blue, black, and purple, orange one. I feel like the lighting is a little off, which I think, it don't matter. So then, yeah, so all of them are reversible, like I said, very comfy. I'll just lint roll them just one time. They're not linty, but you know how yarn gets if anybody works with yarn. They're all reversible. You can wear it however you want. The other side is like cinched up. This one is straight across, but if you push it back this way, then you have the cinched up side. So that there, and then we have this one. This one is just all blue. And hopefully all the kids can fit them. This is pre-K children, so I don't think their heads are that big. But sometimes kids do have big heads. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I think I might do some more. Just so I don't know. It's not, I know there's not more than maybe 10 kids in our class. You never know. So yeah, I think these are really nice. And I think a smart thing to do would be try one on my daughter's head. And if it fits her head, then it's definitely gonna fit the other kid's head because she has a lot of hair and she has a big head, so. And then the adult size hats can, I'm supposed to be donating to the Boys and Girls Club as well, so I will be doing that sometime. I have a lot of projects to do, to finish. I need to organize my yarn, but that might be in another video. Let me move this back over here. And I have a lot to clean up. There's a lot going on, but yeah, that's basically it. There's a few projects. We had the sweater. I had the crochet hooded thing. What else did I show you guys? I have a whole bunch of yarn. The hats. Yeah, so that's what I've been working on. What else have I done? I've made other hats, but if you guys watch my shorts, you guys can see I post mostly everything in my shorts. If I'm working on it, if I started a project, it's gonna be in the shorts. But if you guys watched till now, thank you for watching.